Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, you'll learn how to write a death notification letter. This letter is a formal message used to inform family, friends, or associates about the passing of a loved one. It conveys the sad news with compassion. You begin with your contact details and the date followed by the recipient's information. The subject line clearly states the purpose, to convey the sad news of someone's death. You address the recipient respectfully and use a compassionate tone to share the news. After that, write, "I am deeply saddened to inform you of the passing of full name who departed this life peacefully on date at location if relevant. They were a cherished relation or role, e.g. colleague, friend, family member, and their absence leaves a void that cannot be filled. Name brought warmth, wisdom, and kindness to everyone around them, and their memory will always remain in our hearts. The funeral service will be held on date at time at location. We would be grateful for your presence as we honor and celebrate Name's life. If you have any messages or memories to share, please feel free to reach out. Your support and prayers during this difficult time mean a great deal to us. Sincerely, your full name." Here's our sample death notification letter. You'll notice how it gently conveys the sad news, includes essential details about the deceased, and maintains a respectful and compassionate tone throughout. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing thoughtful personal letters.